Imagine a vast, spinning cloud of cosmic dust, the leftovers of an ancient star. 4.6 billion years ago, a shockwave triggered its collapse. Gravity took over, pulling nearly all of this material into the center to ignite as our sun, leaving a spinning disk of debris. In that disk, tiny grains of dust and ice began to stick together, first by static, then by gravity, growing into kilometer-wide planetesimals. These bodies smashed into each other in a chaotic process called accretion, building our planet piece by violent piece. Each collision added mass and immense heat, turning the early Earth into a glowing, molten sphere. Inside this liquid world, a dramatic separation began. Gravity, the ultimate sorter, pulled the heaviest elements, molten iron and nickel, down to the very center. This event, the iron catastrophe, formed Earth's dense metallic core. Lighter silicate rock floated upwards, cooling to form the mantle and the first fragile crust. This layering created the engine for our magnetic field and plate tectonics. But the chaos wasn't over. A Mars-sized protoplanet, which we call Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The impact was catastrophic, vaporizing rock and blasting a colossal plume of Earth's mantle into orbit. This debris ring eventually coalesced under gravity to become our constant companion, the Moon. It's why the Moon is made of mantle-like rock and lacks a large iron core. The next 500 million years were hellish. Volcanoes choked the sky with an oxygen-free atmosphere, and as the planet cooled, water vapor condensed into the first oceans. Our only proof of this ancient time comes from microscopic zircon crystals, time capsules showing water existed 4.4 billion years ago. From this violent, fiery beginning, the stable, layered world we know today was forged.